Hi, my name is Amy and I read kids books. I also teach 4th grade and I want to right now show elementary teachers and middle school teachers how they can get free books, a lot of free books for their classroom without paying anything through Scholastic Book Clubs. So I sent home the Scholastic flyers, which I don't currently have any accessible, probably a month ago, and have received a number of orders. I think only 5 orders actually, and then I placed their orders online, and I also through that was able to place some orders for free books because of the points that their books earned. So I'll just show you what I got. One of my students ordered Babysitter's Club graphic novel. It arrived today. This is my unboxing, by the way. One student ordered an Overwatch official guide. Another student ordered a Goosebumps pack. Ugh, I'm not a fan of this, but I'm not going to stop kids from reading it right now. I had another student order a Be Awesome diary and a Poodle Parlor Wedding Tales book that comes with a cute little necklace. And then I had another student make a pretty large order for Captain Underpants. Also not a fan, but I definitely don't hinder kids from reading it. Tales of a 4th Grade Nothing, the BFG, the Chocolate Touch, One Crazy Summer, which I have not read, need to, Diary of a Wimpy Kid Old School, Charlotte's Web, and Dogman Lord of the Flies by Dad Pilkey, who also wrote the Captain Underpants books. So she ordered 8 books, and some of these books are, a couple of these books are like $5 or $6, some of them are $1 or $2, so she got a nice combination. A lot of times I see kids ordering books about popular topics like Minecraft or Roblox or like Overwatch, things like that. And a lot of times they order the stuff that has like a free necklace with it or a little kit for something. So that's frequent student orders. Every dollar that a student spends means points for you, and they whenever you place your order in Scholastic, each time you meet a dollar level, like I think the first one is $25. You get a certain amount of points. It's different each month. And then the next like $50 that you hit with your kids, you get another level of points, and they'll be like, we will double your points. We will give you 1,000 extra points if you hit this level. We will give you extra points if you place an order for 3 months in a row. And they're always like putting out little things like that, which unlike so many of the companies that my friends run, I don't make any money off of it, but I totally make books off of it, which is amazing. So now I'm going to show you all the books that I got for free. First of all, one book they did not have in stock, so they sent me a free book coupon for $5. And then they also sent me all of these. Miss Child Has Gone Wild. These are all for my classroom, or if I want to, I can just take them home. I usually put them in my classroom, though. A 6-pack of Love That Dog. Can you believe it? I can do guided reading with that. Percy Jackson and the Olympians. I think that's book 1. Yeah, The Lightning Thief. I must ask you a question, but I'll save it for later. It actually has a pencil that I will keep. Charlotte's Web. I happen to know this is $2 right now. Because of Winn-Dixie. Trouble According to Humphrey, and Hamster Princess, Harriet the Invincible, which is hardcover. A lot of times Scholastic does paperback, but in this case it's hardcover. I got all of these books totally for free this month. Last month, I got, please come with me, all of these books. Whoops, wrong shelf. I already had those. I got all these books totally for free. This is because I have built up points over time, but pretty much every time I'm able to order at least 5 free books for my classroom. They're new, they're colorful, they can be well suited to my students. They, like, as in reading level or interest, I can suit it to their interest. This time, normally I just choose them myself. This time I actually shown the catalog up on my projector and was like, okay kids, help me choose which of these. This one? They're like, no. And I was like, this one? They said, yeah. And that's how we chose that stack of 8 books that you saw first. So teachers, I highly recommend that you start selling books through Scholastic. Even if you only have like 2 kids place an order, it can get you a number of free books. And then Scholastic also frequently does deals like one free book for every student. That's not frequent. One free book for every student in your classroom has happened before. I did that last year. They also usually have at least like $5 books going on, and often they're classics like Hatchet or The Chronicles of Narnia, or what else has been. Charlotte's Web is $2. So teachers, use Scholastic Book Clubs. Send them out and get free books for your classroom. Seriously. And the kids get so excited when it all comes in.